Hi, this is Elayna from NIL English, and today the expression is let me give you a hand, or can I give you a hand? I picked this expression because it's something that's really good to use when you're wanting to help somebody, whether it be a friend or family or even a stranger. So for example, let me give you a hand. When I was outside walking my dog, I went into my backyard and I saw my mother in the garden. And she was picking the flowers, standing up and bringing them all the way over to our jar and putting them in, walking back, kneeling down, picking up the flowers and going back. And it looked like she was just tired. So I went over to her and I said, "Hey Mom, can I give you a hand?" And she said yes. So I helped her pick the flowers and she was very, very happy. So again, let me give you a hand is an expression that we use when we want to help somebody. Example number 2 is when I was with my husband and I was at home and he came home with groceries. Oh, he had bags and bags of food walking through the door. And I went into the kitchen and I saw him and I looked at him and I said, "My loving husband, can I give you a hand?" And he said yes. So I helped take some of the bags and I brought them into the kitchen and he was very, very happy. So again, let me give you a hand or can I give you a hand is a great way to assist somebody that's in need. My final example is when I was outside in my backyard walking to the lake and I looked and I saw this old woman in her driveway. And she was getting things out of her car, but they were very heavy, big, big boxes she was trying to carry in. So I walked over to her and she came out of the house just sweating and so sad. And I looked at her and I said, "Can I give you a hand with those boxes?" She looked at me and of course, yes. So I helped her bring the boxes into the house. So let me give you a hand or can I give you a hand is again a great way to say, hey, I want to help you with my family, with my friends, and definitely with strangers. So can you make a sentence using let me give you a hand or in the comments below? I would love to read them. Thank you so much and I look forward to my next video. Thank you.